Coeur d'Alene's trusted 24/7 locksmith service. Coeur d'Alene's unique blend of year-round residents, seasonal visitors, and thriving downtown businesses creates diverse locksmith needs throughout the area. Whether you operate a shop on Sherman Avenue, own a lakefront vacation home, manage properties in the historic Fort Grounds District, or live anywhere in CDA, River City Lock and Key provides comprehensive locksmith services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As Coeur d'Alene continues growing as both a tourist destination and desirable place to live, security concerns evolve along with the community. We're proud to serve this beautiful lakeside city with professional locksmith solutions tailored to CDA's unique requirements. Coeur d'Alene Downtown Business Security. Retail and office security solutions. Downtown Coeur d'Alene businesses, from Sherman Avenue boutiques to office buildings near City Park, face unique security challenges. High foot traffic, seasonal business fluctuations, and valuable inventory require robust lock and key systems. We specialize in commercial locksmith services including master key systems allowing controlled access across multiple locks, high security lock installations exceeding standard deadbolts, electronic access control with keypad or card entry, panic bar installation meeting fire code requirements, commercial-grade deadbolts and reinforced strike plates, window security locks for street-level businesses, after-hours emergency locksmith services, restaurant and hospitality locksmith services. CDA's thriving restaurant scene and hospitality industry require specialized security solutions. Multiple employee access management, kitchen and storage area security, cash handling area high security locks, outdoor dining area securing systems, seasonal opening, closing security transitions. Visit the link in the description below for more information.